DocAnalyzer AI has just been released, and it's causing a huge buzz in the AI software world. But is it truly the best AI software for analyzing documents? In this video, I'll cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving into DocAnalyzer AI. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have a complete understanding of whether this software can really streamline your workflow like it promises. Let's jump right into it. First up, DocAnalyzer AI is an incredibly powerful tool for extracting data from a variety of document types: PDFs, Word files, and even scanned documents. What sets it apart from traditional document analyzers is its ability to understand context, not just extract words. The AI uses machine learning to not only pull data, but interpret it in a meaningful way, saving you time and improving accuracy. Now, you might be wondering about its ease of use. Thankfully, DocAnalyzer AI is designed to be user-friendly. Even if you're not an expert in tech or AI, you can still navigate the interface with ease. It's got a clean, intuitive design, which allows you to get started in just minutes. No steep learning curve here. Another game-changing feature is its automation capabilities. Once you've set up the software to analyze specific documents, it can automatically process similar files without you having to manually intervene each time. This is a huge time saver for businesses that deal with large volumes of documents daily. Think about it. All that tedious work can now be handled by DocAnalyzer AI while you focus on higher value tasks. One of the standout benefits is its ability to integrate with other software seamlessly. Whether you're using CRM platforms, email marketing tools, or other productivity apps, DocAnalyzer AI can pull data and feed it right into those systems. This makes it an excellent tool for teams and businesses that need to keep their operations synchronized across multiple platforms. A crucial factor to consider is data security. DocAnalyzer AI uses industry-standard encryption protocols to ensure that all your sensitive information remains secure. This is particularly important if you're dealing with confidential documents. So, rest assured, this software is built with privacy in mind. If you're working with specific industries, DocAnalyzer AI is also customizable. Whether you're in finance, legal, or healthcare, you can tailor the tool to meet your specific needs. You can train the AI on industry-specific terminology, which allows it to make more accurate interpretations of your documents, saving you time and improving the quality of your output. Lastly, you can try DocAnalyzer AI for free, no strings attached. The first link in the description below gives you access to a free trial, so you can test it out before committing to anything. With this, you can decide firsthand whether it lives up to the hype without any risk. As you can see, DocAnalyzer AI offers a lot of features that can help you get your work done faster and more efficiently. If you're serious about document management and want to automate tedious tasks, this is definitely worth checking out. I've personally tried thousands of AI software tools, and I've listed my top recommendations in the description below, including ones you can try for free. Make sure to check them out if you're looking for the best AI tools to help improve your workflow.